We are now on week 5 of investing $20 a week for 5 years to see how to grow our money and think long-term when investing. So I'm going to go deposit the $20 for this week. Let's get into this week's video. So before I deposit the money, let's review the account, and you could see we were down bad last week on the 20th, so 10 days ago. And now on the 30th, we're blowing through and we are going up, and we're up 3.34%. So really good returns right now. Remember when we were in the red for the week, you keep buying and you just keep doing it over and over again, because when you get the cheaper price, it's gonna go up quicker. So let's deposit the money now. All right, so we got our $20 in. Google is down, and if we look at our total return, SCHD is down for us and Costco is down for us. Everything else is green now. So we're pretty much sitting at break even on these, and everything else is up around 3%, which is pretty good. So I'm not going to add anything new this week. We're just going to split the money across everything, how we've been doing it. So let's go to SPY, put our $7 in. QQQ, $5. SCHD, $3. And now I'm going to split it, $3 for Google, and then we're just going to do $1 and $1 for Costco and Apple, just because Google's down right now, and I believe we will go past that. So I want to put some more money in here while we're still negative. That way we get a better position here, and then we could compound this for the long run. So $3 for Google. Then we're going to do one for Costco and one for Apple. And then last but not least, $1 for Apple. And that's it. The biggest lesson to learn from this week is comparing to last week when we were negative on the account to this week when we are up 3.3%. Don't get scared when the market's selling off. Just stick to the plan, keep buying, keep telling yourself, I'm getting a discount. I'm in this for the long run, so I'd rather buy it cheaper than buy it when it's on the rise and I'm paying more expensive price for each position, right? That's why I put more money into Google, because we are negative right now. But in the long run, I know the growth is there. So I'm going to get more at a cheaper price while I can. And then it's going to start to compound. And you, like I said, you could already see we're growing pretty well. And this is just the beginning. We're barely 1 month exactly. So 30 days in, and we've made 2.59%. And that's just because it updated to 100 instead of the $80. But we'll stick to the plan. This is Monday though. I didn't buy it on last Friday or Thursday. So we'll be buying more positions in about 3 more days anyway. So this will be up to 120 this week. As always, investing does not need to be scary. It actually is pretty boring, and at the end of the day, it can be very simple. You don't have to add these stocks like I'm doing. You could just do SPY, QQQ, and SCHD, or you literally could just do SPY if you want to keep it super simple. But I do like the diversity, and there is some ideas I want to add to this portfolio, but we're going to hold off for another deposit. So maybe this week we will add some positions in for those other positions I want to diversify a little bit. So see you on the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click that thumbs up and comment down what you're watching and what you're investing in.
Like and subscribe.